Wallet Hubbers! Today we'll talk about using a credit card at an ATM. The short answer is yes, you can use a credit card at an ATM, but it might not be the best idea to do so. That's because in order to get cash from an ATM with a credit card, you'll need a PIN from the card issuer. If you don't already have a PIN, some card issuers will let you request one online by logging into your account and on the issuer's website. You can also call the customer service number on the back of your credit card to get a PIN. However, the ATM withdrawal will show up as a cash advance on your credit card statement. And that means the amount of cash you get at the ATM will be subject to a cash advance APR that applies immediately and usually a cash advance fee. So unless you need an emergency cash loan and have truly exhausted all other options, using a credit card at an ATM just isn't a good idea. That said, if you're wondering about the best credit card to use at an ATM, then you can find some good options by clicking the button right here.